I'm Hal Humphreys with the Sound of Pursuit and PI Education. And I gotta say, Thanksgiving may be my favorite holiday of the year, aside from Halloween, of course, but I love Thanksgiving because it's a time when we get together with family and friends and spend some time together. Just family, doing that thing. Now, usually by Friday, we're all fed up with family, ready to get on with something else. Here's the thing you can do over the weekend. You have a great Thanksgiving Thursday meal with your family, spend good quality time with them, hang out with them, love on them, do that thing. And then Friday in the afternoon, when you got some time by yourself and you need a little time away from the family, check out a course at PI Education and take care of some of your continuing education needs. Do it anytime over the weekend. We'll have a discount code available for you at the bottom of this email. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. We'll see you later.